This segment is sponsored in part by Playland. Since 1928, Metro New York's top destination for family fun.
For decades, it has been a place where many childhood and family memories have been made. I'm talking about Playland in Rye, New York. The amusement park opened in 1928, and it's now undergoing extensive renovations that will delight both regulars and new visitors. This is Playland, one of the most iconic amusement parks in the entire country, and I used to come here as a kid. One of my favorite places in the whole world. This place is steeped in so much history, but there is so much new stuff. I cannot wait to check it out. Dragon roller coaster, here I come. Ernie.
Yes.
So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Thank you for visiting.
What was the decision to come work with this iconic amusement park?
Playland has been around since 1928. It's a National Historic Landmark, and we're very excited about what we're doing here.
This is fantastic because 1928?
Yes.
She's long in the tooth.
Absolutely, absolutely.
But a lot of really great, rich history.
Yes.
So how do you keep the history, but give her a little, bring her in this century?
We have all the fan favorites that are still here, and they're all being taken care of. We're paying homage to the historical nature of the park with whatever we add to the park.
Ernie, can we try our hand at this business behind us?
Absolutely. These are our new games. We have a whole new games row here that we put in for this season and for obviously seasons to come.
I meant business.
You got an A for effort and,
right.
and for the sound.
You know what? New York Living will pay for that. Thanks, Joy.
You got this. Yes!
I won! I've never won anything in my whole life. Can I have the owl, please, Ariana? Yes.
Great job, great job. Come to Playland. Things are very different here.
Come to Playland, win an owl. Can I call him Ernie?
Sure.
So we've got all these new games, and what else is in store?
So this year we put in a new ride. It's the first ride that Standard Amusement has put into the park. It's called the Old Rye Motorbike Factory, and you're gonna need to get on that. So we're heading towards the Dragon Coaster.
I mean, it's one of the most iconic things here at Playland that you cannot miss. Why is this thing so special?
Well, it's been here since opening day.
It's been here since opening day.
Wow. It's a wooden coaster.
Yeah. Wooden.
We've got some of the original cars here that you can see what the ride was like when it was first opened.
Come on, let's go.
It's better every time.
It's better than I remembered it when I was a kid.
It's better every time.
It gets better every time. So, Ernie, from the old to the new, where should we go next?
To our newest ride, the Old Rye Motorbike Factory.
Oh, I like that. Let's go. This is the new side of Playland. That was great. Did you see me go? I was like a real motorcycle speed demon. Tell me your favorite part of coming to Playland.
My favorite part is the rides, and my favorite ride is the big swings.
Dad, what brings you to Playland?
It's actually our first time here.
Oh, wow. What do you think so far?
I love it. It's gorgeous setup. I love the renovations. I love the rides. Everything's very family friendly, and this little guy is having the time of his life.
The zombie castle?
Another great one.
Yeah. I know we were just talking to a whole family that came by. It must be fun for you to walk the park.
I love walking the park. I love speaking to the generations that have come year after year. Grandparents who have come when they were children, who are now visiting with their grandchildren. It's just an amazing experience to listen to the stories.
Yeah.
It's heartwarming, it really is.
Now, if a girl needs a snack, where am I gonna go?
You gotta try our kickin' chicken sandwiches.
Chicken sandwich?
Mott's Parm. You've got mozzarella sticks, you've got peppers, you've got chicken. This is one of my favorites.
Is it now?
Absolutely, absolutely.
All right, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'll be the judge of this. Oh, good. I don't know what you're eating. I know what I'm eating. Oh.
Is that gonna give you half?
No.
Oh, you got both. Go
I'm
for
a
it.
hungry girl.
Enjoy,
Bye.
enjoy.
Thanks so much. Thank you, Playland, for all the memories. I had the best treats, rode the best rides, played the best games, and I'm still having so much fun. Thank you. Yeah. I mean, even this 48-year-old girl had fun. During the autumn, Playland is open every Friday and Saturday and Sunday until September 25th, and you can buy tickets and sign up for exciting news in advance at Playland.